Hey, welcome to Cody the Car Guy. So we got a new product to try and do a review on, and it's called Wipe New. They say all you have to do is wipe it on haze headlights like this, and it makes it look new again. This one's just starting to cloud over. Usually I will sand them and I'll re-clear them, but you know, it's always cool to try a new product and see if it actually works. And this was actually supposedly been at the SEMA show and everything, so I'd like to see if it actually does what it's supposed to do. So let's open this up and see what we got. Alright, we got this great little kit. Got a little cleaning rag, a little glove, and there's a little sanding pad right here, a little polishing pad. And then the product. Looks simple and easy. So we'll see what we gotta do on this. So it's pretty much want you to clean up as much as possible, get it as clean as we can, and then we'll wipe it on and see if it actually makes the magic happen of bringing it back to life. Does it work? Think it does? I don't know. Let's find out. So it says to take, start sanding it down, and the brown comes off as you see. Careful not to hit your painted surfaces. Alright. Actually it's cleaned up pretty good. We can see a few little spots up here to touch base with. Now when it starts getting a little bit whiter like this over when it's tan or brown coming out, that knows you're starting to get into the plastic, so you are getting past all the oxidation and hazed up stuff and getting about where it's supposed to be. This one only needed a little bit of a touch up, and we about got it where it should be. Alright, next we're going to go ahead and clean it up, and then we'll take it out. Now pretty much this is what the other side started out with. This one's just a closer up. This is the oxidation right here that causes all the hazing. This is the top layer of the plastic that we're going to be sanding off. Want to get all that out as much as possible before we apply the chemical. We'll get this side done too, and then we will let the magic begin. Okay, it says apply once and the shine lasts for years. You see that? It says years right there. It's dry. We got it all clean. It's time to open it up and see what we got. Oh, well, you can definitely smell some chemical when you open this bad boy up. Alright, here we go. Ready? Ready to let the magic happen? Let's start this guy. Woo! Now you want to keep it off your finish. Now look at that. That actually looks pretty dang good. Kind of surprised there. Look at that. Alright, that's the little one. It wasn't that bad anyways. Let's go for the big boy. Oh, look at that. Like I said, I use my fingertip to keep it off the actual car's finish. I kind of like that. Wow. See, I spent a little extra time using their little buffing pad to clean up as good as I can. And I think the more effort you put into it really does help out, because this looks pretty dang great. Now pretty much once you guys have a better close-up on this, and you can see the little bit of an outline right here, and you can see a little bit of an outline on this one right here. And like I said, we're going to come back over here, and it pretty much wipes out that outline. Alright, make sure you get all the edges. And look at that. Ha! That looks amazing. Alright, let's go for the... Oh, look. As you can see, right here on this side, let's just do a split on this one. Yeah, we're going to do a split. Nasty, halfway clean. Now I switched the camera around a little bit because I wanted you to clearly see this side right here, the haze, and then where it had the outline, it's not really there and it's not visible. So let's finish this one up. This has turned out pretty dang good. Alright, look at that. Now you gotta say, that does not look bad at all. I really am pretty impressed with that. Now make sure you get everything done, because these things dry out, and once they dry out they become little rock hard little things. I know because I went to use one before, but that car has not come back in for its update, so I went ahead and did this one instead. So anyways, check that out. It looks like pretty decent looking headlights now. They're nice and clear. Let's look on the other side again. Now at this point, I can say I'm pretty impressed. It does say within the next 24 hours to keep it out of rain, washing it, and dew. And heck, as good as this looks, makes me want to wash the car, because I still got dirt on the lower bumper and stuff like that. But otherwise, it really doesn't look that bad. Now, as good as if I sanded it and cleared it, I'm not too sure about that. I'm usually the one that sands them down, gets them pretty dang good, and then I'll clear them. And that clear lasts pretty good for a couple years. But this side right here, and then you got this side right here. And I'm going to tell you right now, this side really does look pretty dang good. Well, at this point, like I said, wipe new, it kind of did its job. This little scrubbing block right here, little sandpaper on it, it actually did pretty good too. So I was actually impressed with it. I definitely got $9 worth of entertainment out of it, just to see what it would do and if it was even going to do anything at all. So I hope you guys enjoyed that product review, and I'll catch you on the next one.